BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft yesterday on the 20th of June has started rolling out viewer and import enhancements for Microsoft Photos on Windows 11 to the insiders in the Canary and Dev Channels. So if you are interested in what Microsoft is working on in the Insider program and are maybe using Photos and want to see some up-and-coming changes, then here are some of the highlights and what's new and improved according to Microsoft. Now, first of all, focusing on viewer and import enhancements. The first is you can easily access key photos actions now, because important actions such as start slideshow, if you look here to the top left, start slideshow and share are now right on the main viewing screen instead of hidden inside the overflow menu. And we've moved to the right hand side at the top. There's a dedicated section now for Microsoft apps. So Microsoft say they have grouped all the Microsoft apps shortcuts together, so you can quickly and easily navigate to the full photo gallery from the viewer, open in Clipchamp or open in OneDrive, just to mention two examples. And then something else is they have a dynamic zoom slider, and they've introduced a slider, Microsoft says, as we can see, that lets you view your images anywhere from 10% to 800% of the original size. And you can also achieve your desired image size by the easy-to-use draggable slider, which enables precise adjustments for a better photo viewing experience. And this is a very similar feature what we get in Microsoft Paint. But nonetheless, I think these two enhancements are quite a step in the right direction, as I would say. And there's also photo metadata information. So if we move to the bottom left, here we can see that the size and dimensions of your photos are now visibly displayed at the screen's lower edge. And apparently this was a feature many users have asked for. And I actually think this is a small but yet a significant change. Just knowing the actual size and dimensions of your image here to the bottom left, I think that is one of those little small challenges if you are dealing with a lot of images like I do on a daily basis. That could and will be a step forward. And then moving on to the next, there are device import options, where they have introduced, Microsoft says, a new feature that lets you choose and manage when to begin transferring photos and videos from local devices at your convenience. And then just to mention this next one, this release also comes with, Microsoft says, their new multi-process performance lifts that improve viewer load time by 2.1 times. So I hope that's going to help the opening up of the Photos app to be a lot quicker, because the Photos app can take its times in most occasions to actually launch and open. So apparently viewer load time by 2.1 times, the increase of that. So that's also, I would say, if you are using the app on a regular basis, is a small yet significant change. Now, for all this and all these improvements, you need version 2024.11.060.2004.0 or higher. And if you are in the Canary and Dev Channels, Microsoft says the update is currently rolling out, so it may not be available right away. So I think some small yet important changes regarding these viewer and import enhancements, and those other improvements we saw in the video, which I think there's no reason why this shouldn't roll out, I would suggest, over the next weeks to the stable version. But when that happens, obviously, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.